The basics of the OpenOffice.org window. Many items you see on the Impress screen are standard features in most other OpenOffice.org software programs, like the Writer, the Calc, and the Draw. Some elements are specific to Impress. Let's briefly review the basic components of the OpenOffice.org window before moving on to the Impress presentation. Shown below is the OpenOffice.org default window. When you launch Impress, a new blank document or default window opens in Drawing View. Here is a brief explanation on the Impress window. This part of the default window is the title bar. This one is the menu bar. Again, menu bar. This is the toolbars. This is the toolbar. Well, this part here is a sample of the slide. The numbers you see here is the ruler. Title bar. The title bar displays both the name of the application and the name of the presentation. Menu bar. The menu bar displays all the menus that are available in Impress. You can display the content of any menu by clicking on the menu name with the left mouse button. For example, if I want to go to View, I must press the View. Then under it are applications that will allow you to view anything on the screen, and later we'll discuss about that. Now the next default is the toolbar. The toolbar is this. Okay. The toolbar contains commands that have pictures or icons associated with them. These pictures may also appear as shortcuts in toolbars. Now, in displaying Impress toolbars, you can turn on and off any of the toolbars. Okay, if you want to do that, go to View, go to Toolbars. Now, under toolbars are series or are numbers of different views. So, notice the one with checks, that one, and that one, means they are already been viewed on the screen. So they are already in the screen. Now, the one without checks are hidden. So if we try to view, for example, circles and ovals, we'll press circles and ovals, and let's see what happens. Now notice, you see the circles and ovals in this part. You can drag it and put it somewhere here. So this part is the circles and ovals. Circles and ovals. So see, that's simple. Now, let's go back to View, Toolbars, and then let's try to check what happened if we're going to click this one. By clicking that one, remember we have this part on the screen earlier, the circles and ovals. So that easy to turn on and to turn off the display toolbars. Now let's move on how to move around the presentation. Now, for example, if you want to scroll through a slide, you have to move up and down a presentation slide, particularly when working with magnification. use the vertical scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar, which is located along the right edge of the screen. So this is the vertical scroll bar. Now, to move left or right, use the horizontal scroll bar. This is the horizontal scroll bar, located at the bottom of the screen. Now, to scroll through the presentation, use the page up and page down keys on the keyboard to move up and down through the presentation, one slide at a time. So, for example, in this Impress example, to move the slide down, press page down. So, just press page down, then what appears is the second slide of the presentation. So you can also use the home key to display the first slide, home. Then to display the last slide, press end. So it's that simple and easy. Using the pull-down menus, each OpenOffice.org program features a menu bar. The menu bar is made up of many different menus. Each menu contains commands that enable you to work within the program. Impress uses pull-down menus and display commands that users often need. So pull-down menus include the following components: the File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Slideshow, Window, and Help. Now, to open a menu, click on a menu name on the menu bar to display the commands that pertain to the menu that you have selected. View the commands listed under the pull-down menu. With the open menu, drag the mouse pointer to a command and click on it to select the command. As you drag your mouse pointer over the command, you will highlight each command in light blue. So for example, if you want to insert something, go to Insert, then move the mouse, and as you see the mouse is moving, it also highlighted the command that you are about to enter or your desired command. If there is a small black triangle next to the command, so for example, okay, there's no example in this default. Black triangle next to command, hover the mouse pointer over the command with the triangle, and cascading menu with additional options will appear. Point and click to make a selection from cascading menu. So, for example, in change case, there's a small triangle, so you can choose an uppercase or lowercase. Or if you want to go to group format, you have the option to choose other groups, like to group or ungroup or enter group. So that's it for the basics of the OpenOffice.org window. Thank you for listening, and the next module will be about